Alright, I'm back. Been pretty much not making videos for most of the year. It's been a rough year, a lot of stuff going on. So it's time to get some work done. It's been a really rough year. Mother's in her last stages of life. Taking care of her a lot. The shop's been flooded. I got it kind of rearranged back today. My car got totaled out here early in the year. If you watch the videos, not this one. My cat over here. Drunk driver hit out in front of the house. It's needing to be fixed still, but if I can fix it. We know I can fix it. My friend lost his shop after 29 years. So I helped him move for about a month. I got a new machine came from him. It's some kind of a pressurized steam cleaner. It's supposed to strip paint off the cases and wheels and stuff like that pretty good. Pretty much goes in one end here and, well, maybe the other, and I don't know. Goes in one side, comes out the other. It's all self-contained. It's got an oil skimmer right here, which takes the oil out of the water. And it doesn't really use much water. You got a pipe right there, coming up where the cone is. It lets out some steam, I guess, a little bit. That's about it. Couldn't find any information on this thing, but you can see all the pressure jets in there. Piping, looks at top, sides, maybe bottom too, I don't know. Yeah, a bunch of those. So yeah, so anyway, it's got a lot of stuff going on there. So I gotta see how I hook that up, make it work. It's 3-phase power, so I'm gonna have to run an extension cord. Of course, that cord's up in the storage, so it ain't happening right away. So anyway, the shop is packed that way, but I got a room to work around my bench, finally, again. There's a 72 Sportster under here I got to get together, whole bike, including bare motor, which is all buried through here. I got a knucklehead motor I got to finish up. I started a year or so back, pretty heavy on, and then it's been here for a while. Most of that's up there, up in those boxes. I got my metal machinery all cleared out here, so I can work. Pretty packed in around here. And then there's another project too. Oh, it's a 45 stroker motor that's been here for a decade. I got to get done too. So those are all projects I get done this month. No. So anyway, I got some new storage space I made under here. Of course, I just got done packing it solid full of crap. My air compressor motor is on its last leg. It's really getting really hot up in here, and I can't figure out why. I'm thinking the starter windings are staying engaged or something like that, maybe. Don't know. Anyway, it's a problem. Hopefully it gets through the summer without failing. The milling machine here, I got to do a bunch of machining on the cases for the knuckles, so I'm going to have to square this all back up and level it and get it all tuned up and ready to do some serious machining. Still got a bunch of my stuff that used to be all buried up under there before the flood. So I'm going to deal with all that. Of course, I got cylinders everywhere. There's still more stuff buried under here. Stuff's everywhere. At least now I get to my tools again. It's been a long time since I've been able to get into that stuff. Over here, I got me a new blaster thing here. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. Little mini blaster. This is for pencil blasters. Those are blasters. This is for dental work is what they claim it's for, but I think it'd be great for doing like glass etching or chrome etching or something like that. Some artsy-fartsy guy wants to get a deal on a good blaster. I might have one available. Nice little small size. Self-contained. Yeah, pretty good. And here's a bunch of stuff to go with it. So that all came from my friend that closed up his shop. There's a lot of work moving all that. It's just like me moving my stuff out of my shop. I was only 21 years at my shop. Anyway, he made all my body works, my race bikes, so all the fiberglass and carbon fiber work he did. He made stuff like this, carbon fiber. Tatro tested. That works. I think this is a derby cover for a Evo big twin cam. 3 holes would be Evo. So anyway, I got a bunch of junk like that I picked up that I was throwing away. I got some extra body work for my bike. I got the molds for my bike, which is good. Anyway, he got put out of business. Also been buying a bunch of stuff. Got an Evo motor over there sitting 113. Needs a new home. Yep, all rebuilt. Not by me. And this is all the parts for the 72 Sportster. There's a whole stack of them through here. So anyway, I gotta do all that. I got some eBay crap we go through tonight. Got some new tools I bought. This is I thought this was going to be for battery cables, but I was highly disappointed when I opened the package up. It does spark plugs wires, but everything else is small. So it only goes to like 8 gauge or something. Nice little kit. So you know, like everything, you put your junk in there, put your finger in there, and go like that, and see how much it hurts. It's color coded, so I guess that's for terminals: red, blue, and yellow. Yellow is for 12 and 14. Blue is what it is, 14, 16, and some 18, and red's 18 on up or down, how you want to count it. Anyway, I got a few of these I bought, so I got these for sale. But hey, didn't do what I wanted to do, but it's a nice little kit. Maybe I'll use that for. I'm gonna try some spark plug wires next time I do a set, see how it works. I got my old original ones over here, my MSDs right here. These ones, which I've been using for years, so I like those. But we'll see how the new ones work. I got some other new tools too I bought. These are some kind of key handle wrenches, sockets on them. I'm always buying junk. Yeah, pretty much. So anyway, I'm going to try to get some work done here next month, month and a half. Try to knock out a few projects that are around here. Still going to be taking care of my mother, so she's pretty much 24/7 help anymore. So I'm the night shift, so I deal with her from when everybody leaves around 7, 6, 8, whenever they leave, and until the next day. Which to me is all night. I do the night shift, which I like, but it gets boring. Gets to be a pain. But anyway, we're going to keep Mom around as long as we can. We'll see how long it takes, but it is what it is. So we'll deal with that. So that's going to interfere with my work a little bit. So you see, a week or so between videos where I don't do anything, I'm probably doing something more important. So anyway, just letting you know, it is what we're going to have, and I'm still kicking. So it's all that matters. All right, we're going to do some eBay junk.